because Cyprium Investment Partners spun out of KeyCorp, a large bank holding company. Can you tell us why it is that you chose to do that?
Our model, as with many of my peers in the same space, was we had outside investors, and we had them through separate investment vehicles, and we had money from a bank holding company, and we had that through an investment vehicle. With Dodd-Frank, it became clear that unless our outside investors had already been clients of KeyCorp, already known to Key, and none of them were, that we wouldn't be able to raise more money from third parties. And so my partners and I formed a new management company. We resigned from KeyCorp, started with our new management company the next day, and kept all of the assets that we had under management. And so the management contracts were assigned to this newco. Going forward, when we raise our next fund, KeyCorp won't be allowed to invest.
Are there any other aspects of the Dodd-Frank legislation that you think might affect middle market private equity firms?
Well, let's talk about two things. One is we are now theoretically going to be obligated to become registered investment advisors. Mm-hmm. And so while that will be a boon to the compliance industry, I'm not sure it will help our investors one iota. It's not clear to me why that's important for the systemic security of the banking system. And you know, the other aspect of that I have been asked about, and I don't think it's really going to make much of a difference, is, you know, banks will no longer be able to invest in other private equity funds as a result of this. I don't think it's going to make a difference, because I think the private equity segment as a whole is attracting sufficient capital for the funds that can justify raising more money.
With the auctions of Warner Music Group and EMI Group, as well as the Pandora IPO, music deals are a hot topic. For more on investments in the music industry, turn to the Deal Pipeline, where you can find the latest on venture capital investments in the digital media, technology, and biotech industries. To get a company's complete VC history, scroll over to the Deal dashboard and click on Selected Recent Financings. In addition to VC news and analysis, you can watch video interviews with top technology dealmakers. And to make sure you don't miss a beat of deal making in venture capital, sign up for our TMT daily newsletter. To register, go to thedeal.com/pipeline/preferences. It's all in the Deal Pipeline today.